Okay, welcome back, people. Just get everything set up on Twitch on my phone so I can see all your comments. Hopefully, there we go. Hopefully the audio is a lot clearer. Hopefully the audio is a lot clearer. Hopefully the audio is a lot clearer. Need to mute that. Let these and we'll jump straight back into the game. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Right. I think I've got something that I can claim down here. I've got a load of here. Okay, go take this infinity ticket. Thank you. There we go. Always boosters. Always boosters. Sweet. Right, Alliance. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, discard. Fill. Easy. Go! Get some wins. Get cubes in the bag. Gotta run, hon.
Gotta run, hun.
Discard is definitely my top 5 favourite decks. I do like Discard. There's a lot of cards to choose from for Discard. This is just gonna be a get until like turn 4. Easy peasy. Get rid of Ghost Rider. I spread discard cards. Always go for the ones that you want to keep. So for instance, I want to keep Ghost Rider, get Black Cat back, but can't have Arcade Police too, so they say.
Taking aim.
See? Could have been falling this way. Heaven forbid. May as well go for a table, and then Mr. Fantastic. Spice it up a bit. To be fair, if I just lay Magneto down in Cruz Lab, that would be mad. Guessing they're gonna have Blue Marvel at some point. Should we throw Havoc in for giggles? Actually, yeah. I'm happy with that. I reckon I'm going to go Modoc next. Do you think we got this? Do you think, team? Do you think we got this?
We are the future. Taking aim.
Do it. Go. Can you hear me okay, Tails fan?
Victory.
Gotta win. Alright. Right. Straight back in. Nice. I reckon I'm gonna go for Morbia next. Ooh. Well then. Hmm. To be fair, that's not on review. Yeah. Stick it in your pipe and smoke it.
Oh, snap.
Down a little bit. Come on. See what happens. What do you reckon, team? Big win?
Victory.
Done it. Easy peasy. And I saw the location. Surely that counts. Oh yeah. And then we can go with move something quickly. Back into our discard. Thanks, Tails fan. Saying nice job. Morbius. No point in using Blade.
Gotta run, hun.
silver. You're gonna get rid of my Modoc. I'll put this one in. You know what's gonna happen here now, don't you? You're gonna summon the Black Cat.
We are Venom. I'm coming for you.
Oh, you know what? Let's just do it. Oh, actually, if I do that, he's still gonna get rid of him, isn't he? Maybe not. You know what? It doesn't even matter. Okay, if we use some Silver Samurai, that fits straight into the discard. Silver Samurai, and Hurling Leg. Wing. Excuse me. Now, if we put down Negatonic, it's going to destroy their card. It's going to add some null. We want to do that. If we do that, do that. Give it that.
Snap.
Do your worst. Two more.
Cut off one head, two more shall take its place.
Take its place. We lost. Could have seen that coming. We weren't smart about it. That's okay. Into the next challenge. Move. Don't know why I just picked that, but let's do it anyway. What we've got to do is move at least 7 cards, eh? That could be relatively easy. Beautiful, beautiful. I like Dagger. I think Dagger's a really cool card. Especially with the +3.
Who'd they dig up this time?
Put 6 there. And then 4.
Flame on!
If we just move 5 with that. Remove dagger. Talk. Nocturne. Gosh, look at that.
Opponent snapped.
Right, let's try it, shall we?
I see the way.
Well then. We lost, but never mind. We keep moving. Keep moving, people. Where are we at? Oh, I didn't even move 7 cards that round, did I? If I put Cloak here, we can actually turn those raptors into hulks. They're going to do the same though. Let's put Silk. And then that's it. Silk will probably do one and go somewhere else. See, there we go, look.
Behold my mighty hand.
I'm just trying to move cards.
Oh, snap.
Toby. Toby Maguire got bit by a spider. Me must have been bit by a goat.
I see the way. The mystery intrigues me.
Well then, fair play to them. Fair play, fair play. Can't argue with that. Thank you for joining the audio testing. I'm now going to go have some lunch, and I'm sure I'll do some swimming later. Ciao.